In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate social media posts with Grok, Content Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. That's the starting line for everything we'll do today. If this is your first time, take a moment to look around the landing page so you know where things live. You don't have to sign in to try it, but if you want your work to be saved and easy to revisit, logging in is a smart idea. A quick sign-in ensures your drafts, chat history, and refinements stay in one place, which makes iterating a lot easier. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. This is your workspace. The layout is simple by design, so you can focus on your content rather than hunting for buttons. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the main chat bar. This is where you'll type your request. Think of it like briefing a creative partner. The clearer the brief, the better the output. Now, ask Grok to generate social media posts. Be specific so it knows exactly what to produce. Instead of typing generate social media posts, try something like generate 5 Instagram captions promoting a spring sale for a sustainable skincare brand. Keep them under 150 characters, use a friendly, informative tone, include 1 CTA, 2 relevant hashtags, and avoid emojis. You can tailor this to your platform, voice, and goals. Brand name, audience, tone, key message, character limits. Whether you want emojis or not, even a preferred structure like hook, benefit, call to action. The more detail you provide up front, the closer the first draft will be to what you need. If the first pass isn't quite there, ask again for more detailed information and refinements. You might say, make it punchier, offer 3 variations per caption, add platform-specific hashtags, or rewrite for LinkedIn with a professional tone and a 1-sentence hook. You can also request formatting tweaks like numbered options, character counts, or alternative angles that emphasize different benefits. Stay in the same chat so Grok retains context, and build on what you like. Keep option 2's voice but add urgency, or combine the hook from 3 with the CTA from 5. Repeat this quick loop, prompt, review, refine, until the posts match your brand and platform needs. That's all there is to it. Go to grok.com, optionally log in to save your work, locate the chat bar, ask it to generate social posts with a precise brief, and iterate by requesting more detail or targeted revisions. With a clear prompt and a couple of follow-ups, you'll have polished, on-brand content ready to go.